your hoes in check.
Super.
I got this girl and she wants me to duke her. I told her I'll come scoop her around 8. She said,
this is the camping fit. Not actually. I just, for some reason, I put on an outfit this morning and I was like, why are clothes so uncomfortable? And so I put on a t-shirt instead. Because fuck that. Yeah, I'm going down to the same place me and Riley went last year, but I'm not allowed to bring anyone because I'm grounded. Yeah, so I'm gonna vlog, I'm gonna paint, I'm gonna go do some things and stuff. Stick around and we'll hang out together. Because I have no one to hang out with. You're my first choice though. Always. Don't worry.
I'm a watermelon landing to your driveway. Crack me open so I feel the air inside me. Like a tongue in my eardrum, dum dum. Music boyfriend, I'm your yum yum. Call me and I'll come. Fuck the rest of them. Fuck 'em all but us. Am I dreaming or did you just kiss me? You don't know it, but you already miss me. Like a tongue in my eardrum, dum dum. Music boyfriend, I'm your yum yum. Call me and I'll come. Fuck the rest of them.
Hey gang, I am in my parents' bed because they're outside. I probably should be outside, but I'm tired and in pain. So instead I'm eating Tostitos and barbecue sauce. I don't know what time it is. Frankly, I don't want to know what time it is. I'm like paranoid people are watching. I'll update you when I'm actually doing something. It's 10 o'clock, I have to get ready to sit outside all day. Good morning. It's like 10:30 right now. I woke up at 7, and now I'm making sure that my acne doesn't get out of control. I'm jealous of people who can wear makeup without it making them break out. Because I'll still wear concealer, but that's the, most I can wear, and I can't even wear that all the time. I'm gonna be doing some painting today. We have some, pots and stuff. So I have this lavender plant that needs to be repotted. And I want to paint the pot before I put it in the pot. There's a pimple right here. And it's causing this entire side of my face to puff up. Right. I bought brown eyeliner. So yeah, I'm gonna be painting. I'm gonna be probably reading a little bit, maybe. I don't really know though. I forgot to record. My bad. My last night camping, and I'm in the tent vibing, but I'm watching the Astroworld documentary.
goodbye to you, my trusted friend. We've known each other since we were 9 or 10. Together we've climbed hills and trees, learned of love and ABCs, skimmed our hearts and skinned our knees. Goodbye, my friend, it's hard to die when all the birds are singing in the sky. Now that the spring is in the air, pretty boys are everywhere. Think of me and I'll be there.
I'm gonna change into today's clothes real quick. Heading home. Until next time.